Across the top news headlines, Cabinet clears Citizenship Amendment Bill, government gears up for crucial parliament test. Message still clear and loud, notice vehemently opposes CAB. And Manipuri culture is an international arena of culture, says Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The Union Cabinet has cleared the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill for Parliament to take over. The bill is now likely to be tabled in the Lok Sabha for clearance. The Parliament is likely to take up the Citizenship Amendment Bill next week. This Citizenship Bill seeks to grant citizenship to all non-Muslims refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan if they face religious persecution in these neighboring countries. Union Minister Rajnath Singh yesterday asked BJP MPs to be present in large numbers in the Parliament when Home Minister Amit Shah tables the Citizenship Bill in Parliament. According to media reports, Rajnath Singh at the BJP meeting said that the three neighboring countries were essentially Islamic nations, and so it is non-Muslims and not Muslims who are at the receiving end of religious persecution there. Speaking on the government's decision to clear the Citizenship Amendment Bill, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor said that the bill it is fundamentally against the tenets of democracy. Meanwhile, Amit Shah on Saturday held discussions with leaders of political parties, students' bodies and civil society groups of Manipur, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya on the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB and listened to their views. 2 days before giving a green signal to the Citizenship Bill, Amit Shah set the deadline for the implementation of the National Register of Citizens NRC across the country. The consultations on CAB with the Northeast stakeholders were initiated by the Home Minister Shah on Friday and Saturday, and yesterday's meeting were third such session on the issue. The 24 representatives from Manpak, all political parties and Chief Minister N. Biren along with some of his ministers met Shah last midnight at Assam House, New Delhi. In this winter session, the BJP leaders have pitched for the National Register of Citizens NRC and the CAB as a package. However, after the series of meetings with different organizations, political parties and students' organizations from the Northeast, the message is still clear and loud that the citizens of the Northeast are vehemently opposing passing of such contentious bill in the Parliament.
We had a meeting and we had said that this CAB is communal, unconstitutional, violating Assam Accord, protecting the interests of illegal Bangladeshis. We won't accept CAB. No to CAB. It's very clear to Home Minister. And the solution lies in Assam Accord. In Assam Accord, there has to be a time-bound action plan to implement Assam Accord. Only through Assam Accord this problem can be solved.
What will be your stand if the CAB is passed?
The movement will continue. The movement will continue. We won't rest till it is repealed. Because it's a question of existence, question of protecting our language, culture, identity in our own motherland. We cannot stay like a second-class citizen in our own motherland. And this BJP government, they are trying to protect their vote banks and they are trying to finish the identity of the indigenous people of Assam. How we can? Assam and Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal Bangladesh.
General Secretary Administration of Manipur People's Party MPP Gita Jain today reaffirmed party's stand against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Speaking during a press meet at the party office in Imphal, Gita Jain said that MPP will always stand opposed to the government's attempt to implement the Citizenship Bill. The MPP leader stressed on continuation of anti-CAB protests since the meeting between Union Home Minister Amit Shah and representatives of civil society organizations and political parties of the state last night had failed to reach a consensus. Gita Jain urged that we must take a firm stand to save the indigenous people. Gita Jain also demanded the state government to take a firm stand against CAB in the assembly session.
Amit Shah na hajik thamai wafam si yam thaja mawang amada Manipuri ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ indigenous peopleꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯍꯟꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯣꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯑꯦꯁꯑꯣꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯅꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah today said that Manipur Sankirtana is hymn in glory of Lord Krishna in classical ragas, synthesizing various indigenous rhythms. Manipuri culture is in the international arena of culture, and no doubt that Manipur is today best introduced to the world through her rich performing arts and culture and not through her geographical position and size, he added. Governor Nazma Heptullah said this during a program on celebrating Sankirtana of Manipur intangible cultural heritage of humanity in the sitting of the UNESCO Intergovernmental Committee in December 2013. The program was held at First Banquet Manipur Rifle. Nazma also said that the world knows the existence of a tiny state. Manipur is in far-flung northeastern part of the country through the rich culture. The grace and power of attracting viewers' mind is superb in the elegant Manipuri dance, which is delicately sensitive type of classical dance, including Natta Sankirtana music. Sankirtana is performed to mark important occasions during a person's life from birth to death.
The grace and power of attracting viewers' mind is superb in the elegant Manipuri dance, which is a delicately sensitive type of classical dance including Nata Sankirtana music. I would like to reiterate that Manipuri dance is not the art of Manipur alone, it is also an art of this country as a whole. Therefore, it is our bounden duty to preserve nature and enrich Manipuri culture so that it may continue to enrich the Indian culture.
Intellectual Forum of Notice, Department of Sankirtana, Manipur University of Culture, Department of Dance and Music, Manipur University, and Manipur Citizen Forum, along with 23 organizations, celebrated the 6th anniversary of inclusion of India's intangible cultural heritage of humanity in UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage. Convener of Manipur Citizen Forum, Dr. Chandramani, senior journalist B.B. Sharma also attended the event where they delivered speeches on promoting and preserving the Manipur Sankirtana and its inclusion in UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage. Professor of MU History Department, Dr. N. Lokendra spoke on safeguarding and promoting the rich culture of Manipur Sankirtana as a resource person.
I wish the Department of University of Culture and the Department of Music and Dance of Manipur University will give more stress and will choose better students who have the potential to develop the works already done by our forefathers and earlier kings and then the people of Manipur. So let us try to bring more awards which was given by the more recognition which was already given by the UNESCO, and now it has become very popular, and now this has gone far and wide because of this recognition.
Locals of Kainok today staged a sit-in protest at Kainok Kaithel Community Hall to condemn the IED explosion near a crematorium site yesterday afternoon. The protesters held placards condemning the explosion. The protest was also attended by Pradhan of Kainok Gram Panchayat, ward members and representatives of local organizations. Secretary of Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights T. Sadish Kanta termed it as unfortunate that the Manipur State Commission for Women Chairperson Dr. M. Binota and SECMI officer in charge Kiran forced a woman to sign a divorce paper at her own residence on November 26 last. In a press conference held today at WAD office located at Palace Compound, Imphal, Sadish Kanta maintained that the government must penalize Dr. Binota for violating the National Commission for Women Act and take action against Sekmai police officer in charge for handling a case outside his jurisdiction.
Damakta Lairiba, Yapanaba Lairiba, Quadagi Wangba, Akun Ikai Kumnazariba, Commission, Women Commission, Asigi, Tabu, or Riba, Tabak Togader, Tabu, Chairperson, Habitat, Dr. M. Binota, and Asumna Satarak Pasina, Debak Miami Tazaba, Manglakani, Haina Aquina, Kali, Madi, Pakat Pawi. Aduna Maram Orkanda, Masiguma incompetent over Chairperson, Nasi, Loktok Piraga, Atopa, competent Obama, Happy Vina, Apple Tojeri.
Representatives of Manipur Government Service Federation will meet State Chief Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu over the issue of 7 pay commission after 10th of December. This was informed by Vice President of the Federation, Laishram Sarat, while speaking to reporters at Manipur Press Club Imphal today. He added, as per an agreement signed between the state government and the Federation earlier, it was agreed to clear the basic allowance of the employees from April last, and the agreement also mentioned about implementation of 7 pay commission by April 2020. Sarat warned that the Federation will take up fresh agitation if the concerned department fails to meet the demands after talks with the Chief Secretary.
Miliki mayam se, miliki committee masigi tabuk se, Pazana in Simbio, Aduga Equiju Maduna Sakana, Loriba, miliki PDF se, Masi Equiju, Antongi Minargamadu, Punna Equi. Ayana Bom Puraxi having demand. Aduka Peggy Matang, Masi came near the Putoke, Mumtoge, Hypes, Quina, Masi, time bound, Minadam the Tobu, I don't know Pana, Hire, at the subsecretary side, Masi, Yam Tunatang, Taragi Matunda, Equi. Punanaba Hybira say, I say, positive development.
Coordinating Committee on Manipuri Integrity COCOMI today held an alert protest at the community hall of Kaisampat Lemazamlika Imphal. The protest demanded that the state government convene a special assembly session before 10th of this month and oppose formation of territorial council in the state. Talking to media, coordinator of COCOMI Sunil Karam said that there has been no any kind of negotiation between Chief Minister N. Biren and COCOMI. He urged the public members to take part in the COCOMI-led movement. Later, a rally was also taken out in the afternoon. However, police disrupted the march at Kaisampat Junction, Imphal, resulting in a scuffle between the police and protesters.
Tang kumangada ambit chaga unaram matung dagidi mahangna kariguma territorial council amagi wafam ama semning bagi wafam khara aikhoida mami khara tai aduna maram orkana haujikti hathengna aikhoigina hairiba territorial council ama semning bagi wafam ama lakpase masi puna mangse aikhoina sui asuguma any bypass tauba ethnic line da aikhoigi autonomy territory sema yaroi haidana khoi thamjarami aduna maram orkana haujik manipur ge miam aikhoina haujikti Kariguma autonomous territorial council ama sening bagi ingget ama lairiba se aikoi punna aikoi hena kangkhatpa khongjang ama sangchin mina bagi tangai padabatu lai ase manipur gi miam da amuka hana kokomi gi maikai diga appeal tawjari kokomi gi stendi kariguma makal amati gi territorial council semba singba state bypass tawba yaroi amadi assembly session phamakanda aikoi manipur miam na pamiba adugumba assembly session da warep lawra kanda manipur miam gi voice ontokadabani haibase kokomi gi steni.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Animal Health Camp under Wildlife Institute of India kicks off.
Private Sports Academy Guwahati is organizing a training cum trial selection under All Manipur Football Association at Kuman Lampak from 7th of December to 11th of December 2019. For the session 2020, students between class 3 to 8 may kindly visit Private Sports Academy to avail proper education and sports facilities. Private Sports Academy Guwahati for Manipur branch is open for players studying between class 3 to 8. 30 professional football players between 18 to 23 years old will be recruited with rupees 5,000 to 30,000 as monthly salary. For online submission, mail us at abungcha542@gmail.com. Also contact us at 70052353638 or 8753943830.
Admission Notice 2020 Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Kulem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Another one government ki thaba ma soina phangba yaragani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangna bagi damakta guarantee pidun lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaliba ICS coaching center Imphal aso hanagan. ICS ki thoidokba officers singdi course amakhaki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sidida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga changadaba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da laiba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak.
Welcome back after the break. Wildlife Institute of India kick off an animal health camp in the surrounding villages of Kaibulamjao National Park today. The villages are Komlakhong, Segmaijin, Thongam and Mayang Imphal. The animal health camp is organized by the Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun and Manipur Forest Department in collaboration with the State Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Unique Wildlife Protection Committee UWLPC and Environmental Social Reformation and Sangai Protection Forum ESRSPF. The camp will be held in villages as a part of the disease monitoring exercise for protection and conservation of Sangai deer. In an effort to conserve wildlife, the Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur has launched a drive in Manipur. Volunteers of the committee yesterday seized 4 bird traps, rescued 1 bird and disposed of 3 dead birds which were caught in traps in the vicinity of Ekop Lake. In a press note, WBCC praised the public for their contributions in preserving wildlife with the help of State Forest Department and wildlife activists. The committee also announced of awarding rupees 2,000 to anyone who can provide a clue about the frequent burning of trees and plants grown on roadsides in various locations of the state. National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Divyangjan, organized a one-day parents training program for parents on home-based training for children with intellectual disabilities in connection with International Day of Persons with Disabilities and as a part of 7th Winter Exhibition for Differently Abled Persons, Divyangjan at Langmaidong Dramatic Hall, Kaching. The program was organized in association with Relief Camp for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons and State Commissioner for Persons, Government of Manipur. Lecturer in Special Education, NIEPI ARC, Navi Mumbai, Ravi Prakash Singh and Occupational Therapy, NIEPI, the Hyderabad, Mukesh Tulasikanta attended the training program. This 6th International Sankirtan Day was observed today at the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The event was jointly organized by Sri Srinath Sankirtan Wangkai Palace Compound, Guru Sanathan Hari Sankirtan Nainasang, Mabuthau Mantri Laikai Sagolban, Natta Sankritan Kolom Research Foundation and Traditional Folk and Cultural Research Center Mongsangai attending the event. Yai School Constituency MLA T.A. Satyabrata expressed concern over the possibility of losing this age-old art form due to a lack of initiative. He also underlined on the need for taking responsibility in nurturing Manipuri culture. Meanwhile, the MLA was unhappy to witness a few staffers of the concerned department attending the function.
Hindu lighting no Tajadana, Lajari Baku Maki Masita, Nabatana, Mari Yama, Lay Lamjay, High Bosi, Hoi, Hila Pakan, Masimu, Japan, Masi, Mas Hazara, Masi Mahandana, Tambi Babachan, Manga, Laybaba, Hoi, Pai Bushing, Masi, Pajero, Masina, Tambira, Nasi, Hoi, from the Tambira Me. Ako na mo tung nalaka na mamirongi na mata asinong magpajalo po singa kahit na tambira mo masyagi na talaga macet mga na sili na siya ikaragi matong na masin masyag mo pangoy na ba adong may akibusulay na ba din natin.
As a part of the security measures taken up by the District Police Bisnupur, massive cordon and search operations were carried out at various locations of Oinam Ward number 9 this morning. Altogether, 409 individuals, including 197 women, were verified, while 2 persons hailing from Silchar were picked up for further verification by the police, a report said. On the other hand, Imphal West Police Commando also conducted a massive search drive at Singzamay Chingamakha, Chingamathak, Pisumthong and surrounding areas this morning. Reportedly, 15 individuals who did not possess proper ID proofs were picked up by the cops for further verification. As a part of this 16-day-long worldwide campaign on activism against gender-based violence, which began from November 25th last, a sensitization cum awareness program for women was held today at Palel Bazaar. The event was jointly organized by all tribal women organizations Chandel, Chingtam Apunbandupilup, Kuki Women Human Rights Molnoi, Widows Welfare Society Chandel and Center for Women and Girls Chandel. The program was held on the theme Orange the World, Gender Equality Stands Against Rape. The participants also displayed placards that conveyed messages opposing and condemning rape and other related crimes. Talking at the event, Secretary of Women for Action for Development Sobita Mangsatabam stressed on the importance of parents and guardians to take part in public awareness program on women and children-related crimes conducted by various non-profit groups. She also underlined on the importance of everyone getting adequate knowledge of POCSO Act.
Legal Services Authority ga organize tauba NGOs me amamana kana raba program mayam sing ase pangthokpa matamda akoi mama mapa oiriba mabung pa aidi community gi mioi sing asina yam thawai yauna program asi yaudeba.
On the other hand, President of All Tribal Women Organization Chandel Lalam Mate expressed that women are facing different kinds of violence these days, which in turn is affecting them emotionally and physically in the societies. He added, this 16-day-long campaign will help make the masses more aware of these crimes and moreover, the victims to survive normally.
Nupi adu hatlamme nupam aduda nupi adu mawana puramme tupamme reptorame haiba mayam se noma kangdana thokpasi thokpa matungda sigomba tauba yade nupi bu imani iteni itelni hana nungsibiu nupi busu mi mioi amani sangsargi leiting amani nupi gi punsi nungai na hinga kanda Sangsar si peace lebani haibagi pandam galoina na program asi pangthokpani.
Let's take another short commercial break. But next, World Diabetes Day, World Stroke Day observed at More Hospital.
चलके
चलुने
चाही अमगी प्लान तौगे हारदी
फौ पाम्बी थाबियो
चाही तरागी प्लान तौगे हारदी
उ पाम्बी थाबियो
चाही चामगी प्लान दी
इचाबु अफब स्कूल द महै तमहनबियो
इचा काइना अफब स्कूल हाइदी
लनाई कोचिंग तौबगी अवाब लेहंदबा स्कूल दुदा दुम चांगनायना कोचिंग तोहनबा
मामा मपागा चा मनना वारक वातेमबीबा
जिम एरोबिक डांस फुटबॉल थांगता
ममांग द 12 एग्जाम की टॉपर से पुथोखरबा
ख्वाइदगी चौबा नानबा ख्वाइदगी फब स्कूल स्लोपलैंड पब्लिक स्कूल खोंगजोम चुमबरा
चुम्मे यम खंगी को
Yes, only Slopeland Public School, Khongjom.
Welcome back. Non-Communicable Diseases Cell and District Health Society Technopol jointly observed the World Diabetes and Stroke Day at the conference hall of More Hospital today. Sub-Divisional Officer More Irengbam Dinesh Kumar, Technopol Chief Medical Officer Dr. Lalthari Mar and eye specialist Dr. M. Anand attended the event as main guest. Several residents of More also took part in the function and got free diabetes treatment. Free walking sticks were also distributed to diabetes patients. The 5th Ayush Medical Camp was organized today at Khugadam by 2nd Assam Rifles Battalion under the aegis of Churachandpur Sector Singhat Battalion. The camp was attended by Director of Ayush Manipur Dr. Y. Lukhoi Singh and Dr. Biswanath Sharma along with the medical team. Hundreds of nearby villagers of Khugadam turned up during the camp where a yoga class was also conducted. Dr. Y. Lukhoi Singh said that a 10-bedded Ayush hospital is open at Churachandpur District Hospital and a 50-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Mall Wi-Fi is under construction, which is expected to be inaugurated this year. The Jiribam district post office fails to work smoothly and effectively at present, despite having a post office and contributions made for convenience and the welfare for the public. The condition of Jiribam post office located at Babupara is facing a serious problem due to lack of proper staff, infrastructure and others. According to our correspondent, even though the post office has a speed post facility, it takes more than 15 working days in delivering a parcel through this speed post in the district. Moreover, the two sub-post offices in the district have failed to ensure timely deliverance of ordinary mail, hence causing a lot of difficulties to the residents. As such, Jiribam residents drew the attention of the concerned department to look into the matter. Meanwhile, in another news, Jiribam, family members of Soraisam Ibotombi refuted the accusation in the media that Ibotombi died due to non-payment of sufficient wages by the contractor. Ibotombi was a laborer at FCI Jiribam. During a press meet at the residence of Soraisam Ibotombi, the family members urged all concerned not to spread false rumor over his death.
Majinamita Lakidraba Ibotombi asi Shil Kusuman Pidabadagi Lakidabani Habas Aranmani. Asigumba Aranba Pau Makatana Sandopidanaba Sandopaginu Haina Imu Manugi Makedagi Hajari Karigumba Makatana Sandropa Taraga de Masida Apapata Masamasagi Daito.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Cabinet clears Citizenship Amendment Bill. Government gears up for crucial Parliament test. Message still clear and loud. Notice vehemently opposes CAB. And Manipuri culture is in international arena of culture, says Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and have a good night.